Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. Alright, so let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. I also wanted to draw attention to the Gridlines. I've applied them before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option works, and they should disappear after resetting. And now all we have to do is to tap on this 4 dots icon in the right lower corner and go to the settings, so tap on the gear icon. Then scroll down to the very bottom to find reset settings and tap on reset. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully removed the camera customization. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.